So I've got something today I've been dying to get my hands on. It's just come out from RUROC, however they fucking say it, it's a helmet. Anyway, basically Iridium colours, they call it Nebula. They've got three kinds. They've got Supernova, which is red and yellow. They've got the Aurora, which is green and blue, and then they've got this one, which is purple and blue. But I've wanted this because the AGV Pista, I think I want to say it's called, looks amazing in Iridium, which I think this is. But in real life, in all the photos I've ever seen of the Iridium, it doesn't look as bright. So I think this might be the same. Plus, I haven't seen a video of one of these yet. Let's get it open. I do have already an Atlas 4.0, which I love, by the way. I normally use HJC, but I really like these, and I wanted to see the difference because this is the new EOX. Okay, so if I bought the headset to go with this, that's where that would have gone. I will do a full review of this at some point, so I'll compare it to the Atlas as well as the other lids I got. Eat that as well. Now they've said to go large if you're medium beforehand, so that's what I've done with this one. Well, they said, I just saw it on a video. So it all looks very nice if you haven't seen it. They always look cool, the RUROC boxes. There's cheek padding. Hopefully I don't have to fit that. I did buy one of these visors, so this doesn't come with it. It's like a purpley blue one to go with the purpley motif, which that R6 right there, which you can't see at the moment, is going to have custom fairing of, and will have the similar paint as the lid, which is why I wanted this lid. So this is, does it come with, oh, it's got a visor on already. It comes with a dark one. Smoked one, I should say. Sorry, I'm sweating because it's really hot and I'm trying to do this in the sun so you get the best effect of the lid. Yeah, that's smoked, which is nice. Is it road legal? Track use only. Here it is. I don't know what that's for. I'll read the instructions later. No idea. It's probably to go over their headphones set, whatever. Right. Oh, I've seen it a little bit already. Here we go. Oh my God. That's fucking beautiful. Oh my God. Genuinely, I'm amazed by that. I was expecting it to be, because the Iridium colour on the AGVs, in all the photos and videos I've seen, it kind of looks like they've just sprayed it on and there's no real colour. It's just paint flecks. This is insane. It's exactly what it looks like on the photos. I don't know if the camera's doing it any justice, but it is like two-toned. See the visor. Nice. How do you take this off? Nice little latch there. I don't want to press anything because I'm going to break it. Oh. Let's put this on and see how it feels. This is the one thing I don't like about RUROC, is that they have this magnetic thing, and it's only the track that has the D-loops, D-rings, you know what I mean. Oh, that's a nice fit. It's not too snug on my face. Probably looks snug on my face, but it doesn't feel snug. Not like the shell size is good for my head. I've got 59 circumference head, so this is a large. Yeah, it's working. It's really nice. It feels well made. The padding's really good. Brilliant. Just looked at the vents. We've only got vents there, and these ones here. And they're open and close internally. That's pretty cool. And that's it at the moment. It's not too tight on my head, but like I said, I'm normally a medium, I think. Well, everything else, I've been a medium. And I will do a long-term review of this. Well, a review, I say long-term. I'll wear it for a week or so and I'll compare it to the other lids I got. So I hope you like that, and if this is the kind of stuff you like, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll be doing way more of these in the future. Right, I've just noticed this actually came with a pin lock as well. So that's pretty cool. That was absolutely free with it. I didn't pay anything for that. And you don't normally get that with a lid, I don't think, nowadays. You might do. Tell me if I'm wrong anyway. So yeah, free one of these. Hold on. Put it on is much harder. There, got it. Let's take this off. Oh yeah. Very happy with that. Look at it. Anyway, now it's definitely I'm off, and there goes my cat. Peace. Right, so I've just come back from my first ride with this. Hot, I've got to fucking take this off. It's too hot to be riding. I don't know how people can go out in the hot weather. I way prefer winter. Anyway, I found one major design flaw for me. So this bit on the back here is too tight, so when I put it on my head, it keeps popping out like that. So then it rides up behind and then pinches. And it took me like 5-6 attempts to get that in place. And then I just thought, fuck it, I'm just gonna go. So I fucking went. 4 minutes into the ride, I had to stop and pull over because I was just worried about that digging into my back of the head and stopping circulation. It's so tight, it felt like someone was squeezing the back of my head. Now, if anyone knows a fix for that, maybe there's some interior that will fix that, because I know it came with extra padding, but I think it's cheap padding. Personally, right now, this is a massive fail. I know for some riders out there it might be different, but that's the new Eox right there. That one there, which is the Atlas 4, has a cutout at the back. So that doesn't pinch the back of my neck. Obviously, I'm going to test it a bit longer. Maybe one of the rivets has popped out, like, you know, the plastic, it's got plastic rivets that pop into like foam plastic holder things that keep the lining, and maybe at the top it's popped out, which keeps it popping out. But as it stands right now, I don't like, literally, I'm going to give this, for the price, a 2 out of 10. And another thing, because of that pinching in the back of my head, I couldn't even begin to pay attention to what else was going on in the helmet itself. Whether it was actually louder or quieter than this one. I think, actually, I'll be honest, it's quieter. But like I said, I couldn't really pay attention. I pulled over twice to fix that, and then I came back after 6 minutes. So 4 minutes, stopped, found another lay-by, stopped again because it on the way, put it back in, it pinched, and then it pinched even more. I'm so fucking disappointed. And I really fucking wanted to love this as well, because I love my Atlas 4. Fucked off. I'm back to say one more thing. That is good, and it is light. Like, it is actually light on my head. Just didn't wish it felt like it was squeezing me like a fucking tube of toothpaste. Anyway, if you want to see more bike content, then please subscribe. Like I said before, there's videos coming on the R6, which is 2007, the reconditioning of my Fireblade, which I want to restore back to classic, and also just general bike stuff. I'll be doing reviews on all kinds of bikes and everything like that. Anything motorbike or motorcycle related, here's your place to be. Until the next time, see you later, and I'm off to have a massage on my fucking neck.